Hi everyone, welcome back. If you want to add border to your Canva documents or photo, then in this video, I will show you how to add clean, stylish borders to any photo or design in just a few clicks. Okay, so let's get started. So let's open Canva dashboard, go to the search bar and search A4. Select the blank page. Go to Elements and search for Floral Background. Let's use this floral background. Now simply drag this image to adjust on all page. Search for shape again. Choose a rectangle or square shape.
Drag the shape and adjust on the whole page. Change the color, and here it is. Your design is ready. Now again, go to Element and search for Gold Border. Now click on Vertical, and all vertical backgrounds will be shown. Let's select this border. Now adjust on the whole page. Now you can see that the border size has been spoiled. Okay, let's adjust this. We need to double-click on our image to enter into the crop mode, so the border falls off of the page. Well, luckily, there's a way to kind of skew this and fit this border inside. You have to hold the Shift key on your keyboard while you click and drag a corner to skew the border inside. Let's do another side. You can also change the page color from here, so you can see border has been added. Now again, go to Elements and search for Shape. Choose a rectangle shape. Drag the shape and adjust on the whole page. Now go to Stroke Style and increase the stroke weight to 10 and change the inner color to white. Go to File, click on Settings and Show Margins. Now search for Fun Background. Again, from here, select Vertical, so you can see all vertical backgrounds. Okay, so let's select this one. Now adjust this image as the background. Now reduce stroke weight and crop this shape. You can also decorate your page by adding something like flowers, balloons. So, your border design is ready.
If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out future tutorials.